What's up, YouTube? I got a surprise for y'all today. Guess what it is?
It's Ollie. Ollie, man.
Nah, but for real, I do actually have a little bit of a surprise. It is a beautiful day out today, so I figured I could get a little bit of work done on the go-kart today. Quick catch up. It's beautiful out. Feels great. But the go-kart has been down for a couple days now, maybe about a week. A lot of stuff started going wrong with the clutch, the chain, and like the brakes, and I've been kind of procrastinating working on it just because I wanted to just have fun with it while I had it from when I first got it. But I think I'm about to redo the whole thing, like paint. I think I'm gonna stretch it and just the whole works, like refresh the whole thing, and new motor as well. Plan on putting a 310 Predator on it. But I'm not gonna bore y'all with like a build video, so I'm probably just gonna end up doing like a time lapse, and y'all can watch me go through the process of doing it. It shouldn't be long, but yeah, I hope y'all like that, and like, comment, subscribe. I talked to one of my buddies recently, and I'm gonna strip the whole go-kart. I plan on stretching it. I'm probably gonna it's hard to see, but I'm probably gonna cut it along here, and here, and stretch it about 4 inches or so, just so it's a little more comfortable when I'm riding. And I'm gonna strip the whole go-kart. I'm actually gonna take this 212 off of this one, and I'm gonna put it on the other go-kart because the other go-kart just doesn't have enough power. So I'm about to get to it. I'm about to take everything apart.
all y'all with that time lapse, but she is a part for the majority. I left some of like the little stuff like this. I'm just probably gonna end up taking this shit up whenever I repaint it. I'm gonna end up taking this off. Not underglow shit, but I can do that in like 5 minutes, and y'all probably don't even want to see that. These I might take off, I might not take off. Steering wheel I'm probably just gonna bag up or something. But yeah, she's gonna get completely stripped of all the old paint. This was, I guess, the original paint, but it was so bad around like the rest of the cart. This was covered by like those little white things. This thing. So I guess that's why it looks so good still, but I didn't paint that. I went over this with like some black paint just to kind of cover it in the meantime, but yeah, she needs to be like completely redone. And most people will probably be like, why are you even doing this? But oh no, I like old stuff like this, and I think it'd be cool. So yeah, hope y'all like the video. Like, comment, subscribe.